Well, the share market's been hitting record highs almost every day in the past 2 weeks, thanks to some strong profit results and expectations there'll be more interest rate cuts. Today, the ASX jumped 1.1% and it went above 9,000 points for the first time ever. Now, people seem to get excited about these milestones. So if we go back in time, it took just 4 months for the ASX to go from 8,000 points to 9,000, which is the fastest 1,000-point increase ever. The next quickest happened almost 2 decades ago, when the ASX went from 5,000 to 6,000 in just 11 months. And that was just before the global financial crisis and the market meltdown that followed. The end result was it took almost 10 years for the market to recover those massive losses, so a lost decade there. But don't worry, it's not like excessive greed, FOMO, and people paying too much for shares is still a thing, right? Meanwhile, Brambles, Super Retail and Bega Cheese drove the market higher after they announced profit results today, which were better than expected, while James Hardie's share price has gone down by another 9%, bringing this week's total losses to 37% and billions being wiped off this building supplier's market value. All because its profit has tumbled 60% over the past year, and it's warned next year isn't looking much better because of problems which are starting to show up in the US housing market, which is a major part of its business. Now, overseas, share markets in the US and Asia fell, while the UK bucked the trend. Gold, oil and iron ore prices were a bit higher, and the Aussie dollar is weaker at 64.2 US cents. And that's finance.